Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do site visits? Well, we have the solution for you. Property Cloud is a prop tech service wherein you can do virtual site visits without actually having to physically visit the site, in which you can see the properties virtually on your phone or your laptop screen, and then you can shortlist it. Once you have shortlisted a couple of properties, then you can do selective physical site visits, and that too with a free pickup and drop service. We also connect you directly with the developer, thereby giving you not just the best price but also a zero brokerage policy. So now, first of all, let me tell you where I have come today, and let me tell you something about this project. And here I am at Godrej Vista. Now, out of the total 27 acres of the integrated township by Godrej, this particular project is going to be constructed in a 2.2 acre of a land parcel, and here they are going to have two beautiful interconnected towers which are going to have a lot of amenities. In fact, I feel like calling it a plethora of amenities. So let me now show you the complete project, which is going to be interconnected as well. Now, this bridge on the top is going to be the interconnected bridge wherein there are going to be the amenities. So now is the time to dive right into the 3D model, take a dip into it. And this is the complete land parcel, and here you can see the towers with the swimming pool right in the center, and this is completely surrounded by the greenery that you can already see. With all of these luxurious apartments over here, with the basement being the retail, and this is the clubhouse that will have all the amenities. And here we can see the retail in the frontage. Now let me show you the amenities in detail. This is going to be the restaurant area, and here are going to be the rooms. These are the rooftop solar panels, and yet another sit out or your lounging area. And beneath you can already see the swimming pool. Let's take a closer look at this one as well. Your yoga zone and the swimming area and the poolside cafeteria. The guest rooms, the conference rooms, the outside sitting areas, table tennis, gymnasium, swimming pool, and multiple other. The best part that I liked is the aqua exercising swimming pool that is right over here. Now, this is something that you usually get to see in commercial complexes, but here you're getting it in a residential place as well. They have multiple variants in the 2.5 and 3 BHKs. So the 2 BHK starts from 850 square feet onwards, and the pricing is 2.63 crores. The 2.5 BHK is 985 square feet onwards, and the pricing is 3.17 crores. And the 3 BHK large is for 1200 square feet, and the pricing begins from 4 crore 86 lakhs onwards. And now that you've seen these apartments from outside, isn't it the right time to show you the apartment from inside? Stay with me, let's go and do that. And now this is the extremely beautiful 850 square feet apartment. Let's go and take a look inside. At the entrance, you get a video door phone for your security. Along with that, here this is a very good foyer area. The space can be utilized for your shoe racks and storage units as well. And even the door, right behind the door, there is pretty good space right over here. Now, this is your spacious living and dining room, and it also comes with a very cute balcony right over here. And here is your balcony. Now, the balcony is covered from 3 sides, and it also comes with this beautiful toughened glass railing. Once we come back into the living and the dining area, this over here is the common area, that is the common bathroom, and then we get the kitchen. So the common bathroom comes with this glass shower partition as well. And right next to it is the common bedroom. First, we'll take a look at the common bedroom and then I'll show you the kitchen. Now, the best part that I loved about this room is this window. Well, you actually cannot call it a window because here, take a look at this. Now, this is a complete glass wall which opens again completely, as you can see the door going out, and despite that there is this toughened glass over here so that you can always, I'm gonna call it, dip into the nature, into the luxury, and also yet be safe and secure. Get a good view from here. Make it a point that the room is well lit and also very well ventilated because of these sliding windows. Now it's time to take a look into the kitchen. This is your kitchen and it comes with this L-shaped granite slab right over here. The very big utility area. So right next to this vegetable and utensil sink is this dry utility area. Now you can already see that they have placed a washing machine and a dishwasher over here. Despite that, there is a lot of space. They have provided your electrical outputs right over here so that you can place the machines. There's a pretty big window for ventilation and for keeping it well lit. There is this additional place also for your storage units. Once you're done seeing the kitchen once again, let's take a look into the master bedroom. From this foyer area, here we enter into the master bedroom. Now one thing that I absolutely loved is that there is no direct access to the bedroom. यहाँ पर entrance पे उन्होंने दे दिया है bathroom जिसका रहेगा दरवाजा बंद. So हम पहले देख लेते हैं bathroom जिसमें कि आपको मिल जाएगा और एक glass shower cubicle and the CP sanitary fittings of course. And here is yet another masterpiece and that is this glass wall. Now I absolutely love this about Godrej Homes specifically, that the windows and the balconies that they provide are always larger than life, and uski wajah se your rooms appear even more bigger and more spacious, more well lit and actually very well ventilated too. So you can take a look at this window over here. Again ये toughened glass आ जाएगा आपका. ये विंडो जो है आपकी स्लाइडिंग में ओपन हो जाएगी जिसकी वजह से you will stay very well ventilated, and also this gives a very good view, even if the window is shut or even if it is open, the view doesn't get blocked or bothered. So now that I have loved this property, I'm sure you have loved it too. But what next? How do we go ahead with the booking process? How will you get to know all the other details that you need to know? I'm sure you have so many questions. All the questions are going to get answered in just about a minute. Stay with me. So now that you have seen the property, I'm sure आप जानना चाहते हैं बुकिंग कैसे करें. EOI का अमाउंट बता दिया, बुकिंग का अमाउंट बता दिया, लेकिन आगे क्या? आगे बहुत सिंपल है. Caption में there is a link mentioned on which you need to click so that our salesperson will get in touch with you. Once you have clicked and registered and our salesperson has got in touch with you, then you can go for site visits with them, which is going to be obviously free of cost, just like I already told you. There's going to be no brokerage involved, just like I already told you. So this is going to be a hassle-free and a brokerage-free experience for you, wherein you can book your dream property without any tension over here with us at Property Cloud. And that's the reason I, Ekta Kapoor, take you on these property visits so that you can take your dream home without any worries. Stay tuned to our channel and do not forget to subscribe to us ताकि आप देख सके और ऐसी ही खूबसूरत सी properties. Thank you.